Hello, everybody. This is Don Warren, your awesome VA home loan guy. I had this question this morning that I thought it was important to get out to everybody to let you know. The question was from a realtor. The realtor said that they had a veteran client that was pre-approved, but the amount did not seem to be high enough for the area that they're looking in. Everything doesn't fit well. Might need to, the homes might need to have some work. One, always reach out to me to have a second look to see if we can improve on that loan amount. Hey, we may verify that and say, yeah, the other lender, that's what it is. But also we can take a look and can we do this as a renovation loan? Yes, not all lenders do renovation loans. We do, but reach out to me and we can give you a second look. We can either confirm, we can improve on. But we want to be able to work with you, get you the best option that you have available.